is just around the corner and you're wondering, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna get them? How about having the kids take home one of our Mother's Day kits? Now usually we do a hand dip with love event in our pavilion, but we're prepping kits so that you can do hand dip with love at home. You get a pint of strawberries, you get this super cute gift box, which includes some melting chocolates in there, as well as some great sprinkles. What you're gonna do is you're gonna bring it home, snip open the bow right at the knot. You'll save the bow in the box for later because you're gonna put your gift right back in there for mom or grandma or someone. You're gonna melt your chocolate. You're gonna end up in a nice glass or safe microwavable bowl. And then you're gonna take your chocolates and you can either dip it straight in or you can spoon it over the top. Now remember, moms love anything homemade, handmade. So if they're not beautiful to what you think, she's gonna think they're gorgeous. So kids can hand dip their own strawberries for moms and dads. And then, because my son thinks everything needs sprinkles, you're gonna take some and you can sprinkle it on for them to have. And you end up with a beautiful strawberry. Now, you take those beautiful strawberries once they have cooled, put them in the gift box, retie it back on, and you have the perfect gift for mom. Super simple to do. Dads, even moms, if you want to do something with them, this is a fun project to do as a family. And it's super tasty. And if you did screw a few up, you can always eat one. So don't worry, have fun with it. And we wish everyone a happy Mother's Day. Check out the 4-in-1 kits. You can order online or by phone.